Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied introduction, joint stock company. Joint stock company. Joint means one or two-person or two or three-person joint. That is joint stock company. Indian Company Act 1956 reforms is 2013. The Indian Company Act 1956 is common act, but 2030 is some few changes in the minimum and maximum number. The private company maximum number of members is 50 and now it will be 200. Allowed now will be 200 persons allowed. The Indian Company Act 1956 and reforms of 2013 in important few changes of joint stock company. The joint stock company is a large scale of industries. Large scale of industry. The amount of the capital investment and the amount of investment is highly and sophisticated of managerial skill for running a large scale industry. The large scale industry is a joint stock company. Joint stock company is a small scale or large scale? Large scale industry. Today one new topic is characteristics of joint stock company. A company as an entity has many distinct features which together make it is unique organization. The essential characteristics of company are the are as follows. First one is separate legal entity. Separate legal entity. Under a incorporation, a company becomes a separate legal entity as compared to its member. The company is distinct and different from its member. It is a own seal and own name. Its own asset and liability are separate and distinct from those of its member. It is capable owning property, incurring debt and borrowing money, employing people and having a bank account, entering into contract and suing and being sued separately. Sued means that is court case. The separate legal entity, every partners or board of director in one another person you fight in case, court case, that is sued. In a short, it is a considered as an artificial persons created by law. The separate legal entity is as a the member is some created in separate entity of the law. That law is that persons of board of directors own seal. Each and every company separate own seal. That is one logo. Britannia means what? Britannia. One music. Ting, ting, ting. That is Britannia music. Each and every company, one symbol, one logo. Its own name, own asset, liability in separate and distinct. And that is joint stock company is a separate legal entity. Each and every person and sued in case or being sued separately. Second one is limited liability. Limited liability. The liability of the member of the company is limited to contribution to the assets of the company up to the face value of shares held by him. The limited liability, each and every person is called each and maximum 200% joining together in joint stock company. Each and every person liability is contributed in capital level only. Liability level is contributing capital level only. One person is 2 lakh rupees means that 2 lakh rupees percentage only in liability. One person is 5 lakhs means that liability is compare percentage increase only that person liability, that is contributed in capital level only in liability. The face value of asset, face value, some face value means company is issued some valuable shares, valuable first valuable share means company issued 5 lakh rupees each, and each shares is 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees. That value is face value. A member is liable to pay only in uncalled money due on share held by him. An asset of the company are not sufficient to pay liability, the personal properties of the shareholder not held responsible. The company is some debt is company debt is more, but company property is very less means do not touch in personal property. The company do not touch in personal property. Only company property only is used in liability. Do not touch in personal property. Next one, perpetual succession. A company does not case to exit unless it is a special specifically wind up or task for which it was formed has been completed. Listen students, a company does not case to exit unless it is specifically wind up or task for which it was formed has been completed. A company is one company is started means the profit, the achievement is profit only. Profit is continuously, loss means any time the task is not completed means the time that company is only some persons is left, but some persons only left, but that company is always running only, but company do not closed, some persons only left out. A membership of the company may keep on changing from time to time but does not affect the life of the company. Do not affect the some persons changing, the one time this person, next one that person, next one time that person. Persons is changing, but company life is that the persons only changing but not affected in company name or life. A company created by law, it is and it can be wind up only through legal process. Each and every process is legally only we enter. Each and every process is legal process only. Next one, separate property. Separate property. A company, it is a distinct legal entity. A member cannot claim to be a owner of the company's property during the existence of a company. some company is some company name, some properties. Some company is sometimes company is loss means used only in company client company property only, but do not touch in shareholders property. Do not touch shareholder property. Only you use only in company property only. That is the company, it is distinct legal entity. A member cannot claim to owner of the company property during the existence of company. The company property is, but persons do not any claim in company property. Do not touch in company property. Next one, transferability of shares. A shares is in a company or freely transferable. No, freely transfer anytime any shareholder or selling or transferability in any time any person. No restriction. Anytime transferability, free transferability. When a member transfer his shares to another person, when a member transfer his share to another person, each and every person transfer to shares in another person. A transferee steps into those of the transfer of accrues all the rights of the transfer in respect of those shares. There are restrictions in the transferability of the shares in case of the private company. The private company any time transfer to one person to another person is freely transferable. Freely transferable one person to another person. No, there are no restriction. There are no restriction. Common seal. Common seal man. Each and every company one common seal or common symbol or common each and every company one common seal is followed. Each and every company is followed in common seal paper only. In any agreement is that paper only used. A company is an artificial person, does not have physical presence. Company is a artificial person, but your presence do not touch in the, do not physically present. That is, do not only you feel only, but you do not see and do not touch. You only in feel only. A company is a artificial person and does not have a physical presence. Do not only you feel only. Thus, its act truly it is board of directors for carrying out the activities and entering into various agreement. Such contract must be under the seal of the company. Some contract means used only in company seal paper only in followed in board of directors. The common seal of the official signature of the company. Any some official signature mean that used in only in common seal paper. The name of the company must be engraved of common seal. Any document not bearing the seal of the company may not be accepted as a authentic and may not have any legal force. Any legal force. any the nature of the company, the name of the company must be engraved. Engraved means is a very strong and impression, very strong on the common seal. The name of the company must be engraved on common seal. That common seal paper is used some agreement, some important property transfer to one person to another person, some shares is one person to another person, means that time used in this, strongly used the common seal paper. Next one, capacity to sue and being sued. Sue means court, some being court case. A company can sue or be sued into on name of the distinct from its member. Sued means some persons, one person in case to another person, or some outside person in filed in some shareholders or some company name. That's it. That is sue, capacity to sue and being sued. Next one, separate management. A company is administered and managed by, it is a managerial personnel, that is board of director, the shareholder, or simply the shareholder of the, simply the holder of the shares in company. They did not necessarily to manage of the company. Separate management, one manager administration, administrated the managing board of director is only one person, or each all shareholder do not manage the company. They held by the only the shareholder held by only one person is manage the company. Others only shareholders do not manage the company. Do not manage the company. Next one share, one vote. The one share, one vote is a very important only. In this lesson, very important one word. Joint stock company is a voting rights is a one share, one vote. Two shares mean one person is two share means voting rights is two. One person is three shareholder means that person is voting rights is three. One person is 10 shareholder means one person 10 shares is purchased person means voting rights is 10. That is joint stock company. One share, one vote. One share, one vote concept is very important. That's followed only in joint stock company. But cooperative society is main motto is service only. But joint stock company main motto is profit is primary, secondary only service. This one member, one vote, one vote right is followed only in cooperative society. Cooperative society is a main motto is service, secondary only profit. One per cooperative society is one person is 10 share means that person voting rights only one vote rights only. One person one vote one share is purchased means same only one vote rights only available. That is all our main concept is cooperative society. All are equal. All are equal. That is one share, one vote. Joint stock company is followed. One share, one vote. Cooperative society is followed in one member, one vote. That is cooperative society. Okay, students. Today joint stock company, very easy lesson. Students, you this each and every day you read. Do not waste your time. You read properly. You one day one topic finished means that day you finish that topic. Okay, students, we will meet next one class. Okay, thank you, students.